How to download and install Solitaire on your mobile device. In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install Solitaire on your mobile device. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Solitaire on an Android device, but the process will be very similar for other devices. So first, head over to the Play Store. Then tap on the search bar in the top of the screen and do a search for Solitaire. There are a number of different apps to choose from. I'm going to tap on the top one. Next, tap on the green install button. The Solitaire app will now be downloaded and installed on your device. This process may take up to a few minutes to complete. If prompted to enter in any username or password, go ahead and do that, and then wait for the installation process to be complete. Once the installation process is complete, tap on the green play button to launch the app, and that's what it takes to download and install Solitaire on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.